to set Discord channel permissions. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then on the left side, click on the server. In server, you'll find different channels. Hold on to the channel and you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on edit channel in here. After you clicked on edit channel, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on channel permissions. Then in basic view, you will find, do you want to make it a private channel or not? You can find who can access. If you don't want, you can click on the cross mark and remove the person's access. And if you click on advanced view at the top, you'll find new permission, which is add role or add member. To add role, you can click on add role and you'll find different options. You can also search options if you want. Select the one and you'll find all these options for them, which is the permissions. If you want view channel permissions, click on the tick mark. And if you don't want, you can click on the cross mark. In that way, you can scroll through all the permissions and select the one you prefer. After you're done, press on done at the top right corner of your screen and you're good to go. This is how to set Discord channel permissions. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.